Welcome to our YouTube channel Campus Bawa. Today's video on DevOps, a methodology that is transforming the way software is developed and delivered. In this video, we will explore what DevOps is, how it works, and why it is important in today's fast-paced digital world. Cut to footage of software developers and IT operations professionals working together in a collaborative environment. Narrator. DevOps is all about breaking down traditional silos between software development and IT operations teams. Instead of working in isolation, these teams collaborate closely throughout the entire software development lifecycle. Cut to footage of automation tools being used to streamline software delivery. Narrator. One of the key aspects of DevOps is automation. By automating manual processes, such as testing and deployment, teams can deliver software more rapidly and with greater confidence. This enables them to respond to changing business needs and customer requirements more quickly. Cut to footage of continuous integration and delivery, (CI/CD) pipelines. Narrator. Another important aspect of DevOps is continuous integration and delivery, (CI/CD). This involves building, testing, and deploying software in an automated and continuous manner. This helps to reduce the risk of errors and enables teams to detect and resolve issues more quickly. Cut to footage of continuous monitoring tools being used to track software performance. Narrator. Continuous monitoring is also a key part of DevOps. By continuously monitoring software performance, teams can identify and resolve issues before they become critical. This helps to ensure that software is always performing at its best. Cut to footage of software developers and IT operations professionals working together to optimize processes. Narrator. Finally, DevOps is all about continuous improvement. Teams are encouraged to learn from their experiences and optimize processes to drive ongoing efficiency and effectiveness. Cut to conclusion. Narrator. In conclusion, DevOps is a powerful methodology that is transforming the way software is developed and delivered. By breaking down silos, automating processes, and embracing continuous improvement, teams can deliver software more rapidly, with greater confidence, and at a higher level of quality.